Bismillah Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the book of prayer, funerals. Salma raziyallahu anha, the wife of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, reported Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam as saying, if any servant of Allah who suffers a calamity says, we belong to Allah and to Him shall we return, O Allah, reward me for my affliction and give me something better than in exchange for it. Allah will give him reward for affliction and would give him something better than it in exchange. She, Salma raziyallahu anha, said, when Abu Salma died, I uttered these very words as I was commanded to do by the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah gave me better in exchange than him. That is, I was taken as the wife of Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.